Welcome back to Mr. Scott Maths. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to convert a ratio into a fraction. In this question, we are told that the ratio of apples to bananas is 3 to 5, and we're asked what fraction of the fruits are apples. To start off, I'm going to write my ratio as A to B for apples to bananas, which is 3 to 5. To turn this into a fraction, I need to write the parts of the ratio we're interested in this case the apples, over the total number of parts. This would give us a numerator of 3 and a denominator of 3 plus 5. We can then perform the calculation for the denominator, which gives us an answer of 3 over 8. In this second example, we are told that the ratio of cats to dogs is 7 to 3, and we're asked for the fraction of animals to the dogs. Again, we start by writing our ratio out, cats to dogs, which is 7 to 3. And again, we see that our fraction will be the part we are interested in over the total number of parts. So in this case, that will be 3 over 7 plus 3. This gives us a final answer of 3 over 10. Final question, we are given a 3-part ratio. We are told that the ratio of red, green and blue counters is 3 to 8 to 5. We are asked the fraction of green counters. So I start by writing out my ratio, red to green to blue, which is 3 to 8 to 5. Again, we still need to use the part we are interested in over the total number of parts, which in this case would be 8 for our green over 3 plus 8 plus 5. This would give us 8 over 16, which we can then simplify by dividing both the top and the bottom by 8 to give us a final answer of a half.